Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto brain. Let's try Smith-Morra. This line I'm not so down about usually. Am I? Get the lights quite a show. I'm playing too quickly. Yes, playing too quickly here. I should think about this position. I'm maybe F4, F5. That's an idea. F4, like G4, F5. It's not really going to open up my queen. Bishop H5. It does give me F takes. There's knight F4 after. So G3, knight takes H5. Something. I'm playing this a bit too loosely. I don't like this actually. I'm playing too loosely too quickly. Let's try and calm things down. Knight C4. It's going to take and take on E4 if I'm not careful. B3, can I get to safety here? Try this for trying to castle queenside. Again, I don't like this. I've played. I've got too many weaknesses. It's too complicated, too tactical. I'll play Bishop C2 though for a moment. C4 possible for knight d5. Opens up the bishop anyway. Knight d5. I can play b5. Do I play a4 or something? I'll just wait for him to play b5. A4 might be okay, I don't know. Certainly not this, because he's got bishop d5 for queen c2. Yeah, I messed up. Bishop d5. This is going to hurt. What am I thinking of? Yeah. I should start thinking. Come on. H4's dropping as well. Oh, crikey. I'm still in the game, I suppose. Let's try and I don't know. Is knight d6? Is that move? Not really. c5. Trying to undermine. It's got bishop e4 and then queen c5. Knight c3 to d5. Oh, he's got bishop f3 winning the exchange. Ah. I've got c5 now. At least I've got some things to do c5. Finally, I've got a plan c5. So e5 is being undermined. It's coming together here a bit. The queen's protecting the bishops. I'm actually threatening CD without getting mated. I think this provocative bishop g4 caused me to just try and mash him with all the pawns. On c2. The bishop f5 here though. Now surely cd. I've got c2 protected by all sorts of things. What is he doing?
Check.
What's this? Is it? He's got time for bishop f6. Loses queen. He resigns. Yeah. Okay. That was fun. G5 apparently. I don't like the way I've fragmented all the pawns. It's horrible. I'm fragmenting all my pawns. Mind you, these are the things. Nope. Bishop c4 better. I just don't like the position at the moment. It's given me my only plan to play for c5. I play in such a way I lose a pawn first for nothing. But I've still got that plan to play for c5. It's a knight f7 apparently. Oh well. Yeah, it defends d6. That's a disaster, isn't it now? For e5. I mean, it's a total disaster. Alright, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.